Igbo ndị mana ege m ntị ekenekwa m unu biko na unu mana ụmụazị na-aba anụ ndị Ebonyi steeti anụ na-abụda ebe anụ ha na-eme ihe niile ha chọrọ ime ha wee discredit Zion ministry. But let it be on record and let it be on standby is that na the world should bear witness na ihe ndị anụ na-eme na bụ assassination of character. Because from what is bad na ke ihe bụ na mmadụ bịa church unu weli ya turn one to topic na everybody are coming to perform nwa gịnị ha na-abịa perform miracle all the celebrities ko ha na-abịa perform nne ha na nna ha that place. This nwa Ebonyi state abụ Ebonyi song will always like to create problem. Ọ na-like no ka create a problem. To last year create a good problem between state na state na state. Dị na rechen wee nye ya gu ya ike ọ maazị ha ọzọ ya eme. This year keta church ka bịa face. Maka na ọnwụ na-egbu nwa nkịta na-akwa na-ekwu ya ka ọnụ isi nsị. Ama nwaanyị ji ekwulu okwu a na-eme this video keta ka ụwa niile pụtakwa wee mee gịnị n'ụlọ onu m ka ọ dabụkwa n'ichi na onwe ka ndị Zion si wee kpọọ ha na ha bịa prove to the fact na Zion na-akwụ these guys ụgwọ. Because this thing they are making it look obvious na Zion pays everybody that comes here, including this nke obele nke anụnwa dị too short. Agadi nwoke a dị short obele arụ ya na-edeceive. O si na afia bụ oga two people. When you saw na he use ya na asị ya isi na ị na-recruit onwe gị into ibebịakwu ihe na maro. Ekwugo na akwụ mama okwu ụgwọ nya bịa entertain the people of God. Okay, egwu nke ahụ agacha isi na akwụ James Brown ha ụgwọ ha bịa entertain the people of God. Kwa destinate ko ha ụgwọ. Can you be able to prove that? Isi na akpọ gị ka ibebịa entertain na dị na awa okoro. Nekwa ochu na eme comedy na metere na afụrụ ụzọ na metere ọnwụ ya. Maka na ime video with Sabinus. Can Sabinus come out tomorrow say no magi? No. Mamuka nwane na say no your friend. Mamuka from Enugu State. Onu nabu thereby being content creator na emete ihe na emete. God give you the opportunity to nabu wee photo wee meko one or two and the day na ejeda Zion nekwa gị ịnọ n'azụ ọbụkwa na-ekwu Mamuka n'ihu ọbụkwa na ịnọ Mamuka nso ịnọkwa n'azụ nwe ike ọ bụrụ na Mamuka de goza nke ọmokwu tag along iwe tagile along wee gawa die ọbụkwa na onwe ni serious something na n'ọgụ aka bụrụ na ị na-asị n'ọgụ aka akpọta ka ibebe entertain ndị mmadụ. Because I form this accusation na-eme as a tangible something. Mmadụ mara ihe dị ya mma mee o. Mmadụ mara ihe dị ya mma mee maka na ihe bido mewe gị na ka mara ebe ihe na-eme gị si. You people will sometimes just mepe ọnụ na-akọ about church. Onye chọha n'ime ihe fụ na ihe ọ na-eme awa okoro. O buru ụzọ tii church n'iru. Kpalịwa men of God, kpalịba onye kpalịba onye ukwu, kpalịba onye nta. Maka gịnịzi? Ebonyi son apụtago now. O kwugidego maka ethnic tribes. Onwe mgbe this guy chọrọ ibute ọgụ between Anambra and Ebonyi State. Eche na the hit ọnụ mgbe ahụ. Megide nke ahụ nkịta ọ daa ya ọfụ na dechi na work nọ. Were nke a cash out. Tiga akwa the same person na charge ụmụ nwanne ha 20,000 40,000 so si mepela ha page because ha nwa na onwe nke ha mụ ka isi emepe page. This the same anụ here efu anụ na charge ndị be ha 40,000 20,000 imepela ha page ya just buy Facebook sign up. Ọ bụ na app iji enwe ekwara sign up iwelu system ba ya i sign up na your page. Mana ihe onye a na-ana mmadụ 40,000 ndị be ha 30 40 20 imepela ha. Emechara sị na anyị niile bụ ofu na ya na ijidego chọọchị na-atụsa onwe ka ndị Zion si kpọọ unu okwu zanụ. Because this issue is gradually getting out of hand. Ma nwa nji eweta vidio anụ nwana biko. Because let it be on record and let it be also a standby witness against you that very day. Maka Mosiah kpọgo kwesị gị na can you be able to defend this thing in ekwu? Can you be able to? Because ihe na-aga ewe m na obido set ya na-ebido kwuwe onye niile bụ ndị Igbo si gbaghala ha na ụmụazị nye mana mgbe mmadụ na-ekwu ihe karịrị onye nwere onye na-ajụ ya na this video na-anachi ya azụ.
In case you are seeing my video for the first time, my name is Ebonyi Son and I'm here with my brother.
Okay, two people.
Yesterday, we video I post yesterday maka Zion Ebukobi. That now the celebrity now a lot of celebrities where they go Zion They know they go there because of grace. Say then they pay them. Because me, will be a son. If you give me money now, call me for church. I go come there and entertain you guys. Then
it's a normal thing.
Okay. Then Oga two people say the reason why you guys have not seen him in Zion, but on the price Adabaro. Nobody on the price Daba, he would have go. You guys would have been seeing him there. So a lot of people begin to drop a negative comment. Mandina chat here on your son. Let me tell you one thing. And I kuroku that na Mamoka Gar Zion. I put for video in for here now.
Yeah, I chipped in Mamoka going to Zion because I'm very sure of it.
Okay, I couldn't watch the video.
I don't say things I'm not sure of.
Okay.
I'm not. I don't please anybody.
Okay.
I only please God.
Okay.
Mamoka went to Zion. This is the video here.
I couldn't watch here now.
Just watch this video. And he was paid. Mamoka was paid to come to Zion and perform and entertain members of Zion. You know what I mean? It's not a bad thing.
Okay.
Even those who have churches here, ministers, you can invite us to come to your church. We will come. But when you're not there.
But I don't see the reason why you like under Zion. You won't get sick. Or not for Funaro. And I'm not for any celebrities in Zion. Now celebrities are no grace of Ebukobi for the person that they are there. They will fail to understand that now Kurunda will go to come there.
But even my DM, my advice, I should come to Zion. That so celebrity come to Zion. Okay. And because this so celebrity come to Zion, that me too, I need to be in Zion to receive grace. That is why I told you that. Na you get. But then another price. And my friend Namoka, he came to Zion. Last 2 years, he came to Zion. Last 2 years, I don't even blow. Last 3 years, I don't even blow. You get, and they popular to the league.
Yeah, because video man, so who know him? Onye may go video with Sabinus, Brain Jota, Imo, meet our governor's wife, meet a lot of celebrity, make video with them. Who knows you?
See, we are not here to even most people here, if they buy a 50 MB, borrow. If they borrow 50 MB, they will not watch video. So they will just come and read comment and comment from
some are free mood.
You know, in a free mood, they are not supposed to comment what you don't know.
Now, secondly,
because some people did not watch that video.
He said you are not against Zion. Me too, I am not against Zion or against Ebukobi, but all some of his members being every day. Because some of his members are so rude, so mannerless. Some of them want manner. Imagine you like Zion or chat like a prophet. Seeking nobody will put on my Ebukobi. No, I could see. No, you want to put your genetic doctor.
And again, you guys in Zion, you guys Zion for your problem
to be solved.
God to help you. You forget about your problem. About solve my problem. Because you know me, I did not know you.
I swear.
So that's why
you are watching us. I'm not watching you. Okay, watch this video. Then come for Destiny, Etiko, and James Brown.
Okay.
If for crossover night, about how many days ago? How many days ago? Destiny got that place. James Brown got that place. Okay, James Brown they go in like a church.
Okay, Grace for James Brown and Zion.
He don't change.
He changed. He's still not doing the same thing. That's the reason he came there to entertain people because his fans are in Zion.
Thank you.
Even in Zion, I have my brothers that are there.
Okay.
I have my fans that are there.
Okay.
A lot. You get even people that will come and say, "Let me pay you to come and perform and for our daddy birthday or something like that." Yeah, they are coming because they are my fans and they know what I'm doing.
Okay.
You get so, and if you say that you watch my video and you did not laugh, you have family problem.
This Destiny and Jezebel got that place. How got that place? They don't go there because they go crossover or they go church. Some of the members call them and pay them. Who go for them to call them?
Let me not even talk about James Brown or talk about Ezeaku or talk about Mr. Boy or anybody. But let me talk about this Mamoka.
Okay.
Wait, I do very sure of. Mamoka went to Zion and they paid him. Mamoka is alive. I'm alive. So my them are saying they should arrest your son and they arrest
two people.
Okay, go ahead. Join Mamoka whether they did not pay him. If Mamoka say he went to Zion free of charge, anything you want to do me.
You know now.
Mamoka is alive. I am alive. They paid him. And it's a normal thing.
Yes, now it's not a crime. Like very soon now. Very soon, before next month, when we church tell me invite to come there. If the money daba, price daba for my, if one go for my, I will come there and talk and crack small joke. Why you know?
To entertain the audience. Even the pastors are my fans. So many pastors love what I do.
I swear.
A lot. Even so it's not a bad thing for a pastor to invite him to entertain his members and entertain him too. You know how many people go beep, you know what?
The problem I know on the Zion, some of them, because someone didn't have Zion do land.
How we can mindset? Some we can mindset.
Someone didn't have Zion do land. When did they have Zion do?
Can you be a Christian and still be a Kana person at the same time?
What am I point? So some of them are bad Zion now. I said, what will you talk about? Like, on a boom park. If but on a comment section, Monday meet match up. A lot of people will come to my inbox about his son. Look at the way J-Pack is going to Zion. Grace have found J-Pack and is doing well. And you are there. This. Why can't you imitate from J-Pack? J-Pack is going there because they paid him. That is why he's going there.
But if you wish me bad, that bad will come to you because a wish from me could be bad.
Even them not wishing him bad.
A wish from any Zion member bad. But my brother here, your son be a blogger. You are watching me. People that know me very well. I am not a blogger. I'm a comedian.
Okay.
This man is a blogger and he's my friend and my brother. He interviewed me and asked me some questions, and I said the truth of what I know.
Okay.
Some people were telling me you are not supposed to
talk that.
See, you will not tell me what to say.
Some people like some people you like, how will you come to public? Why will you come out and
see anything that can be said secret should be said public. No, it's not high things. You get? It's a normal thing. What is it that a pastor invited somebody to come and perform?
Or is it a crime?
It's not the only Zion that does it. A lot of other churches have been doing it.
But here, the impression I want to encourage some of Zion members is that not whenever you see celebrity went to Zion, you'll be like, the grace has found this one. Grace, that is why you come to Zion to receive grace from Ebukobi. No!
And again, let me say, this one is happened to me that I say when I had health issue. A lot of people were telling me, come to Zion, you'll be healed. Come to Zion, you'll be healed. I am not doubting God's grace or anything. But I'm going to Ebukobi, what is him? You get the point?
Yes, because thank you.
Which doctor is supposed to transfer?
Okay.
No. See, miracle happens. But you should remove reality. You should know the difference between reality and
tell them. Tell them.
Real. Some of us go to school and we learn nothing. We are in a modern world. I don't like what I hate. And I don't tell lies because of money.
They hear I'm not.
I'm somebody that love integrity so much and self-esteem. Because of tomorrow, you get. Some of you are saying about Zion is the most popular now, really. Tomorrow another one will still come out.
Let's just forever.
I have lived in this life more than 20 years. At least let me not tell you how old I am, but at least I don't live up to 20 years. And in these 20 years, I have seen a lot of things come and go. You get. So you should not use because of something that I don't understand.
A lot of people will be like, this celebrity come to Zion. The grace of Ebukobi, I find this person. Zion. Any celebrity be Zion. Any celebrity be Zion. Any there. So take it or leave it. Ask my son to come here and he receive grace. There's nothing like grace.